Hello friends, in our this video we are going to start MATLAB. Okay, so first introduction. What is MATLAB? MATLAB is a very powerful software that has many built-in tools for solving problems and for graphical illustrations. Okay, you can download the MATLAB software from MathWorks website, or you can use Octave too for solving the MATLAB related problems. Okay, Octave code is same like MATLAB. Okay, to run MATLAB on a PC, double click on the MATLAB icon, and if you have Unix system, then you simply type MATLAB at the prompt. Okay, if you open MATLAB software, it will initially look like this. Okay, this is command window. Let me discuss here. So when the MATLAB software is started, a window is open and the main part is command window. Here you can see that in this particular window, whatever is open, here you can see clearly written command window, and here double arrow it is showing and the cursor is blinking, okay, which is the major part of this window. In the command window, as you have seen, this double arrow is there. This is called prompt. Okay. Here MATLAB works in an interactive way. That means you will be giving one expression and then MATLAB immediately compute that expression and it can give us the result immediately. Okay. For example, if you write 1 plus 1 in the prompt, you will then and there you will get a result as 2. Let me show you 1 plus 1. If I write and enter, see it is showing ans equal to 2. Okay. So the result 1 plus 1, the addition result is stored in ans variable, which you can use further. Like if I write ans plus 2, so see here ans is storing 2 value, so ans plus 2, that means 2 plus 2, you will get the result as 4, right? So MATLAB uses a default variable name ans if an expression is typed at the prompt and it is not assigned to a variable. Here you can clearly see that I have not stored the value of 1 when it is added with 1. Okay, so that what it is happening, that MATLAB is storing that result or the value of addition in the ans variable by default. Okay, this is default variable name in MATLAB. Okay, in fact ans is now a variable that you can use again. For example, you can type ans into ans to check that 2 into 2 equal to 4 or not. Like let me show you. Suppose I am doing 1 plus 1, which is giving us ans as 2, and now if I write ans into ans, that is answer into answer, I will be getting 4 in my ans variable. That means the ans, this variable name can be used for further processing. Okay. Variable initialization. See here, we have not initialized the variable. Like here we have directly written 1 plus 1. Okay, you can consider this as an advanced scientific calculator. Okay, this particular command window, whatever you will write 5 by 8, in the ans variable the result will be stored. But generally what we do in programming, we store the result in a variable. Variable is a container to store the value. So how to define the variable in MATLAB, how to initialize this, that's what I am going to discuss now. Same like other programming language, in the left hand side variable name should be there, then equal to sign, and then expression should be written to initialize the variable in MATLAB. The variable is always on the left, followed by the assignment operator, followed by an expression. Assignment operator means this equal to sign. Let me show you. Suppose I am defining my variable name as a and I am giving the assignment operator and I am giving 10, and simply I am clicking the enter. See, now a equal to 10 it is showing. That means in the a variable 10 is stored. I can use further processing using a into 2. If I do 10 into 2, result will be 20. But the result a into 2 I am not storing anywhere, so that by default again it is storing in ans variable. Okay. So this is how variable initialization is done. Putting a semicolon at the end of this statement suppresses the output. Like here you can see Suppose I am defining a equal to 5. As soon as I click enter, a equal to 5 it is showing here. But I don't want to show, I want to suppress the result. What I will do? I will define a equal to 5. After that I will be giving one semicolon. Now if I click enter, the result is suppressed. But if I write a and enter, you can clearly see a is storing the value 5. You can further process a into 5. Okay, if you click enter, see, you will get the answer as 25. So just suppress the result. Okay, you can use the semicolon. Okay, I hope up to this it is quite clear. Now after variable initialization, simple concept is incrementation. Incrementation is nothing but incrementing our variable. Suppose our variable a equal to 6, I am giving semicolon to suppress the result. Now what I will do, a equal to a plus 1, that means I will increment my a variable, the value stored in a variable I will increment by 1, and again I will store that incremented value to a variable, that means a equal to a plus 1. Click enter. Now if you write a and enter, what is the expected value? 6 plus 1, that is 7. See, 7 it is showing. So this is what incrementation in MATLAB is. Adding to a variable is called incrementing. For example, my name is a variable. Suppose it is storing the value 5. Now if you do my name equal to my name plus 1, it will increment the variable by 1. Okay. And decrementing is again very simple. Suppose a equal to 10 I am defining, giving semicolon to suppress the result. Click enter. Now a equal to a minus 2. I am decreasing the value stored in a variable by the amount 2, and I am storing that in the a again, in the variable name a again. If I click enter, what will be 10 minus 2? That is nothing but 8. Now if you write a and enter, see, you will be getting a as 8. So this is how decrementation is done in MATLAB. So I hope in this video 3 things is clear to you: how to initialize the variable, how to do some mathematical computation in variable, that is addition, multiplication, etc. How to increment a variable, how to decrement a variable. I hope these things is clear to you. This is all for our this video. In our next video, we will show you some more about variables. Thank you for watching.